March 28th, 2018, 6:29 p.m. Looking at the moon. There's my barn, full zoom. My surveillance camera. And here's one tree. Here's another tree. There's my pine tree. Now I'm gonna look up. Oh, and what do you think I got? I got us a Chemtrailer. He's just banging away. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah. On-off action. Sun. Come around. Yep. I'm thinking that's photoshopped. See? It's behind my branch, my apricot tree. Yeah. All day. They got some big heavy duty ones flying over today. It's not a massive traffic, it's just the really large planes, jets, very large. All right, another update later. Peace out.